background is cute. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am in the process of installing the wig, and this is the wig right here. So I got this wig from my local beauty supply store, which this is not the actual wig that I wanted at all. Not the wig that I was going for. They ended up giving me the wrong wig and I lost the receipt, so I couldn't take it back. So yeah, and my plan was to come into the new year, or is to come into the new year cute, because yeah, I'm tired of looking crazy. So I'm about to install this wig. I already put the concealer on this lace, and they don't give you much lace. This lace literally stopped right here. Like, that beauty supply store be false advertising for real, because them wigs literally had parts. Like, the actual wig that I was looking at had parts in it, and when I actually like flipped the wig up and, you know, examined it, it's no part in space. Like, I'm like, I don't understand that. But yeah, y'all might hear my kids in the background, so sorry about that. But on my lace, I used Espresso in this LA Girl Pro Concealer. So, and I feel like it's matching pretty good. I actually went in like this. Ooh. But I actually went in and just was doing this to really get it on the lace. Like, really get it on there. Let me see how that's looking. I think it's matching my skin real good. And with this wig, what came with it is these little, you know, double-sided tape, you know. So I do want to try them, but I don't know how that actually go. I don't know if I'm supposed to, you know, still use my spray, because I was going to use the spray, because I don't plan on having this wig on too long. I was going to go on with my spray and then put that on there, or put that on there and then go on with my spray. I don't know, but I'm definitely using both. So that's what I'm about to get ready to do. Already cut off my little ear flaps for the sides of my ear. I just need to glue it down. And I won't be doing the ball cap method because I don't feel like doing all that. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna attempt to put this on my lining.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell, so you may not be in the.
But you know, you can basically use these for like your clothes too, to disguise. Like if you wearing like open shirts.
To learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this. Not today. Good look. Nope.
What I see, you are love.
Okay. Since that was a fail, I'm going in with my adhesive spray.
You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me Let me know when you feel what you
elastic band because I don't got one right here.
So many things have taken place before this love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel, confusion can give way to doubt. For there are times when I fall short of what I say, but I say I'm all about, all about. You are love. You're a positive.
Okay, so the wig is all on. I don't know how I want to do this wig. Cause like I said before, it's barely like no lace on here. See that? Barely. I'm gonna spray a little water. I want to cut it. Like, I really want to cut it because look how long it is. Like, real long.
Motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me know.
This might just have to be something that you wear to the side without an actual part in it, because yeah, like everything I do is just not working, and she is tangling real bad. But yeah, she definitely tangles real bad, real bad. Now, what y'all think I should do to this? Cause your girl is struggling. Like, it's just too much. Like, it's way too much. I'm definitely cutting this. She cute though. This color go real good with my skin. It's giving blowout. I actually like this with no baby hairs. You see? This is entirely too much here. Okay, so I cut her. I think I figured out how it's gonna work. It's just gonna have to do, okay? This is just gonna have to do. It's cute though. I like it for the most part. Who said a synthetic wig can't give? What? Hold on. Well, I need some earrings. Hold on. Hold on. Should I leave these long like this or cut them down? Just even kind of cute. this being a synthetic wig, that looked crazy. So you couldn't even do like you couldn't even do that. But from the front is cute. But yeah, no, that's a no. But that's the only way I could think of doing this wig. They bogus for not giving us more lace, but this just gonna have to be the look. Just like this. Cause I don't know what else to do with it. So one of y'all cop this wig and y'all try something else with it. You know what I'm saying? I promise I'll watch your video. Cause yeah, I couldn't think of nothing else. Comment down below. You know, let me know what y'all think of this look. And yeah, I'm done with it for the night. Happy New Year's, y'all.